So you've decided to sign up for group or one-on-one coaching. We are so excited. So I thought I'd walk you through exactly what is about to happen. Hey, it's Scott Beebe with Business on Purpose. And when you sign up for coaching, it's one of the most exciting times for us as a Business on Purpose team. Now, we have a lot of other exciting times as well, but this is certainly up there. You've done the hard work of evaluating business coaching services and have trusted the Business on Purpose team and experience. So it's time to get started. So here's a step-by-step process of what happens when you sign up for one-on-one or group coaching. The very first thing, and I'm serious about this, our team celebrates behind the scenes. Every time a heroic business owner trusts our team to lead them in coaching, we get as excited as if it was our very first client. Text celebrations start flying around our excited team. In fact, we just had a text yesterday flow through, and one of our coaches had an emoji that he put up, and he said, "This is what it looks like when I'm excited when somebody signs up." Number two, an important welcome email is sent to you from our administrator. Very important email. Our administrative team member is notified that you're ready to go and sends you an incredibly valuable and important email. Inside this email, we're going to let you know three things. Number one, our client connections director will be emailing you to set up your live onboarding session. Very important. Number two, how to set up your payment options. And number three, every time your payment goes through, our administrator is going to let you know we make a donation to our dear friends and pro bono nonprofit client, Care Africa. It's really an exciting partnership that we have. The third thing that's going to happen is your coach is going to send you an email that you'll want to save and archive. So your coach is going to send you this email, and it's going to detail out these things. Number one, it's going to confirm your coaching payment details. Also, detail what's included in your coaching time, what's expected of you. Your coach is going to provide you with a link where you can go sign up for your powerful live Business on Purpose roadmap. Also, your coach is going to provide you with a link to go and sign up to be a guest on the Business on Purpose podcast. That's right. We want to hear your story and document it where you're starting out. And then finally, your coach is going to explain what communication will come in the near future for next steps. The fourth thing that's going to happen is we're going to set up and enjoy your onboarding call. Our client connections director will be excited to connect with you and your key leaders. Very important to have them there to walk you step by step through the technical details and access for those important digital tools that are going to help support the live one-on-one coaching time that you'll have with your coach. This time with the onboarding call has to be a major priority for a successful launch into coaching. The fifth thing that's going to happen is you'll get two more emails from your coach. The first of these emails will walk you and your team through the setup of your cloud-based folder system. Super easy to do. Don't be intimidated by that. And then that second email that they're going to send is of the remaining onboarding emails to instruct you to lay out some training for your team as you get started. Remember, we want you to buy into the process, and we also want your team to buy into the process. The sixth thing that's going to happen, good grief, we're going to start coaching. Enough of all the administrative stuff. Let's dive in. Behind the scenes, the Business on Purpose team will have your roadmap and coaching notes ready for your first coaching session. And we want you to know that we are super, super excited to be coaching you and to be your coach. So I want you to start stretching well. Let's get limbered up and ready to go because we're about to start your coaching experience with Business on Purpose, where our goal is to liberate you from the chaos of working in your business.